Alright, it's Marshall from Budget Guy RC again. And over there is Christopher right there. We're going to get ready and let him try to run the Hobby People Sandstorm or HP Sandstorm and see what he thinks of it. So here we go. We're going to see what he can blast it and hit a couple turns, see what he can do. Yeah, we can go much further than that. Just get ready to turn around and bring it on back, because this camera has trouble picking it up that far.
Okay, I'm getting a feeling of it now.
Okay. Goose it and come on down. Alright, turn around, because the camera ain't gonna get you no further than that. I haven't got it zoomed all the way in. Wait until I get my other camera. Hope it's better. Alright, come on. We're gonna give it a little bit of a, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a street test here real quick. Now, just point the camera at it so I can give it a quick street run. Me and you. Just gotta try to follow it real quick.
Thanks.
Got it?
Excuse me, folks, if I'm a little shaky with the camera.
You ready?
I can hardly see it now.
Okay, it's over in the ditch, so we're gonna go ahead and stop this there. That was a little quick, minutes of us just running it to see what it'll do. Alright, Marshall from Budget Guy RC. Got stuck in the ditch there, so I just went ahead and cut the camera off while I went and got it. And of course, there's Christopher still. We didn't get a chance to tell y'all goodbye. Don't like ending the video that way. So, this is Marshall from Budget Guy RC saying goodbye. Y'all have fun RCing, and we'll catch y'all on our next video.
Yeah. That's all, folks. Bye.
Alright, you heard it from him. Y'all have a good one. Have fun RCing. We'll catch y'all on our next video. Later.